was so bad. I see his face.
Yeah, you see his face.
He got like his nose, and then he ate its nose. And his tummy has babies.
It doesn't have babies. It's not pregnant.
Yeah, cause he has babies, and then and her dad gave him.
That's where the eggs produce in here.
Yeah.
That's where the eggs produce. They come out.
Yeah, and then he did what?
There's his eyeball, and his head, and his neck. It's his wing.
And you could touch it.
I'm not gonna touch it. Don't touch it either. It's nasty. I'll get a stick and touch it.
Here. Look.
No.
Here's the bones.
Yeah, be careful. There's small ribs. There's his wings where it comes out right here. There's his wings right there. That's
the puffly tater. Oh my god, look at freaking head. He just freaking broke. And his foot.
There's his neck.
Yeah.
There's his skeletal right here. He smells terrible.
Yeah, because he got tear up. And then it was blood everywhere.
Happy now?
It was blood. It was Katie just made it. Then there was. Do you see that blood? Katie ate the blood, and then his arm died, and then. Whoa! Look at. Did you see that?
Bro, that is so cool.
I like it.
There's his head.
Yeah.
His body. Thought it was about to fall.
That's the wind. Look, do you see the skull like that?
Yeah, that's the skull. There's the beak.
Yeah, because it did the, like the nose in the tree, then.
Oh, lovely bird.
Yeah.